Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most wearing, most demanding women crochet top designs, blouse designs, beautiful ideas, beautiful color combination contrasts for stylish ladies. You can see in this my video. Most impressive designs and ideas. You can see every design is beautiful, trendy and different one another. You can see. Please friends, watch my video till the end for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. You can wear this very beautiful blouse and tops with matching trousers, matching skirts. Most beautiful designs and ideas for stylish ladies. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding, beautiful and trendy women crochet blouse designs, top designs, stylish ideas, stylish designer ideas, top designer ideas. You can see. Easy patterns, knitted patterns. You can see in this my video. Highly running ideas, highly running patterns. You can see in this my video. You can visit my channel and see more collection about crochet, about women fashion, about baby fashion, about home accessories. You can see also. Stylish fashion ideas. You can see in this my channel. If you want to buy this very beautiful crochet blouse and top patterns, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, ebay.com, etsy.com and Amazon. You can